How to fix meeting on Google Meet on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix meeting on Google Meet on Android phone. First open settings and then click apps, and now apps again, and here type Meet and click on it, and then click for stop. Now click storage, clear cache. Now your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here, go to apps, and then click clear data. You will need to log in again, but that will fix your problem. And now just go back and try again, and if that also doesn't fix it, go to permissions, enable all of those permissions, camera, microphone, storage, all of those, and now go back, restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.